Hey, Snowflash here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today's review, we're going to be doing Mr. Beast Feastables Peanut Butter Crunch. Last time I tried a Mr. Beast bar it wasn't too impressive. Wasn't bad, but I wasn't too impressed by it. But let's see if this one will change my mind. Of course, if you're allergic to peanut butter, not for you. Nutrient facts: calories 200, total fat 12, cholesterol 5 milligrams, sodium 105 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 19 grams. Total sugars, 16. Okay, that's not bad for this. Protein, 3 grams. Vitamin D, 0. Calcium, 55 milligrams. Iron, 1 milligram. Potassium, 132 milligrams. All right. Oh, that's a strong peanut butter. And then you can see the peanut butter and the crunching there. All right. Mmm. Crunch is good. Peanut butter is odd. Chocolate's good. It's salty too. Not for me. It's not bad. It's not terrible. I'll probably give this one a 5.8 out of 10. It's not bad. It's not terrible. The balance is not right there, I guess. It's not for me. You may like it. I don't. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.